Come test drive the 2020 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Your new ride is just a phone call away.